We are officially down 18 pounds. I'm honestly... Okay, so I'm rewatching the footage before I post it, and I realized that the most recent photo of the scale says March 25th. I don't know why I put the 25th, but I meant to put the 23rd, but I didn't want to have to go in and re-edit the text because I already had the video saved to my phone. And yeah, so just pretend that picture says March 23rd, 2025. Really happy. It's been I want to say 2.5 months. So 18 pounds, 2.5 months, I don't think is terrible. I think that's a pretty moderate speed for weight loss, at least. I feel like I could have lost more, but I'm not trying to I'm not trying to be super crazy. I'm not trying to lose weight really, really fast. I'm trying to lose weight in a decent, moderate speed. And I gotta keep telling myself that it's okay to have rest days and it's okay to cheat on my diet, once or twice a week. And I mean cheat meal, not cheat days, cheat meal, because I don't know if I would ever have a full cheat day. Not right now, at least. So I want to say I have maybe 22 more pounds to lose. That's that's not my goal, but that's kind of what I'm aiming for if because I feel I hit a plateau. So I was I lost, and then I stayed the same weight for almost 2 weeks, and I started to get very angry because I'm great, I don't know what I was doing wrong. And so I quit the carnivore diet. I'm not doing that shit no more. Honestly, anyone tells you they're doing that shit, good for them, but I personally would not recommend it to anyone. My current meal plan is I make breakfast sausage in the mornings with scrambled eggs and half of an avocado. My lunch is medium rare steaks, cut up, diced up with diced sweet potatoes. And I put the sweet potatoes in the oven for 30 minutes with a little bit of oil, garlic powder, pepper, and a dash of salt all over it. And so far, this diet, I haven't gotten sick of it now. I think I've been doing this diet for a little over 2 weeks. I think this is my 3rd week now that I'm gonna be doing that diet. That's what's working for me so far. I don't know why the plateauing was occurring when I was not losing weight for almost 2 weeks. It was very aggravating, but I guess it happens, maybe. I started to push myself more in the gym because I had noticed that I was kind of getting used to what I was doing, the Stairmaster for 30 minutes, and now I'm doing it a speed 6 for 30 minutes, and I'm sweating a lot more. And then when I run, I was able to get at least 2.5 miles within 30-ish minutes. Now my goal is to run 3 miles in 30 minutes. I want to get my 7-minute miles back. I used to run a mile in 7 minutes, and that was when I was at the height of my weight loss, the first round, 7, 8, 9 years ago. I don't want to say it's been a long journey because it really hasn't been a long journey. It's only been 2.5 months, but there's been a lot of trial and error with my diet, and I wake up a lot easier in the morning though. So I will say, if you're thinking about working out and you don't really have motivation to, you will sleep so much better and you will wake up so much easier in the morning. I think that's the one thing that I can take away from all of this and say that I've enjoyed. Also, one last thing before I go to bed, I am currently 82 days free of alcohol. I think that has played a really big part in my weight loss journey, you know what I mean? I honestly, before I stopped drinking this year, I wasn't planning on it. It was just kind of one of those last minute decisions where I was I'm gonna stop drinking for a while. It was more of one of those for a while type things, you know what I mean? And then I think it was a month later, I decided I wanted to lose weight again. So I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this sobriety up. I know for sure I'm going to be consuming alcohol during my friend's wedding in July. Or who knows, maybe I might not want to drink when the time comes, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see when that happens. Yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about, so I need to get my ass to bed. It is currently 11:40 at night and I have to wake up at 5, so be on the lookout for my next video, and thank you for watching this one if you did.